Hi, I'm Sam Kendall, COO of SalonIQ. So in today's video, we're going to be going through the guest attraction system, otherwise known as GAS. It's basically a system to get new clients automatically through referrals. It really is a magnet to draw clients into your salon and see yourself grow. Now, we do recommend you aim for at least a 15% new clients percentage each week, and that's to help you see that growth in your salon. Anything below 10%, you're not going to see that growth based on the clients that you potentially lose as well. So our aim here is really for you to use GAS to turbocharge what you're already doing and for this to become the main way for you to attract new clients into your salon. Now, we are assuming a couple of things here. One of those being that you're already delivering a 5-star service to your clients. They're walking away with really lovely hair, skin, or nails. The other one is that we really want you to make sure that your clients understand the referral system and they're fully aware of what's going on, and you're promoting it in different ways through your website, social media links, and also sending them emails on a regular basis. Now, the other one that we're assuming is that your team are behind this. Like with anything in your salon and in business, if your team aren't behind it, then it's not going to work. The other thing that you may already have, I'm sure you will be familiar with a referral card similar to this. I used it many years ago, over 20 years when I was a stylist. And for this, you'd write down the client's name, you'd write the stylist's name down. And the stylist would give this to their client and ask them to give it to their friends and family. And as a welcome, they'd get 50% off. And then as a thank you to your client, they'd then get 50% off as well. This is really just to enhance and accelerate what you're already doing in the salon. So let's just have a look and see how GAS works in the next video.
If you are searching for ways to get more clients to your salon, you need a way to ask your existing happy clients to refer their friends and family. We all know they are your most lucrative source of new customers. With 98% of SMS texts read within 3 minutes of being received, sending a referral text to your clients is simply the most effective way to request a referral. Meet Sarah, for example. She had just been to your salon, she loves her new hairstyle, and has already booked her next appointment. An hour after leaving your salon, she gets a text saying recommend a friend promotion. She is excited, so she forwards the text to all her friends. One of her friends, Grace, needs a new hairstyle, so quickly books herself in. When Grace visits your salon, she shows you her text. She enjoys her new hairstyle at half price. Instantly your system sends Sarah a text thanking her for recommending Grace and letting her know as a thank you her next haircut is half price. The more friends Sarah recommends, the more she will enjoy half price hairdressing. Not only that, but the system continues, so now Grace gets the recommend a friend text too, and so on. How can you get this simple effective cascade of referrals for your business? Easy, you need GAS, the guest attraction system from SalonIQ. The good thing is you can see how well it works, because the dashboard shows you exactly how many referrals you have received and exactly how much extra money you have made. This week, 8 new clients have visited, creating £440.
So you can see there that video really summarizes the whole scheme and system of the guest attraction system. Now we're going to go and look at it here on SalonIQ and go to Menu, Intelligent Marketing, and then you'll see the item here called GAS. And what this is doing is allowing you to view, track, and monitor the performance of this particular promotion. Across the top, we can see the number of messages that have been sent out in the last 7 days, 30 days, a year, and then the lifetime of you actually using this particular promotion within your salon to attract new clients. You can also get a breakdown at the bottom. Now there's an awful lot to this particular dashboard. I'm not going to go through it in this video. This is just a skimmed down version, but reach out to our business consultants and they can take you through this in more detail than I am right now. On the corner, we've got the settings cog, and really simple and easy setup. You'll be set up in minutes. And then it's all done for you automatically. We can see we've got the tabs on the left-hand side to take you through that setup really easily. We can enable it, have this going out to new clients only if we want to, decide how often we have this message going out to our regular clients that are potentially coming in weekly. We don't want to overwhelm them with too many messages. We've then got the customization of the text. We've got the merge fields to really make sure it sounds like it's coming from you. We've got the message to the friend, and we've then got the setup of the new customer promotion and the existing customer reward. Now that one there is crucial. We're rewarding the new client coming into the salon. We're really welcoming them as we need to within our salons to make sure they return to us time and time again. But what we often forget to do is thank the client that's referring them to us. But this does it for you automatically without thinking. Once this is all set up, that's it. It runs for you in the background. You have your teams sharing this with their clients, talking about it, potentially already using the referral cards as well to really boost and accelerate what you're seeing and the results that you're getting. It really is that simple. So let's actually see this in action. We're going to go to the appointment book now, and I'm going to make a booking for a new client. So we're just going to add the appointment here. Going to add a new client. So it's asking me here for the first name and surname. Let's go for Hannah. There we go. Okay, click save. I'm going to book them in for the cut and finish appointment. I'm going to apply the promotion now while I'm making the booking. Apply gas. Select the client who has referred them to the salon, click on save. Now, the great thing about SalonIQ is there's lots of shortcuts and symbols that you can see, giving you information without overwhelming you too much. The heart symbol just here is showing that I've got a promotion applied to the bill. So I can see what the promotion is and the amount that's been discounted. I click on save. A fantastic prompt here to see if it's a request booking, yes or no. I'll make that decision. And then in salon deposits, if you've got that on, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to ignore that deposit. And then that booking will be made just here. Again, one of those lovely symbols. It's a new crown, which is showing me that that's a new client. It's a great overview, so I can see that that client's going to need that new client welcome when they come into the salon. So let's actually check that client in. There we go, that's all done, just a little score on the top right-hand corner. And now we're going to check them out because they've had their booking. We've got a prompt there for some more information, as this is a mandatory field. And now we're going to the checkout screen. I can see the promotion is still applied. So it's £42 to pay, paying by cash, click complete. Another key screen here. Again, if you want to be taken through this a little bit more, reach out to our business consultants. Rebooking is your future business. Just think about that, and please make sure that you're looking at that rebooking percentage as a key KPI as a salon overall, but for each of your team members as well. But we're just going to just close that for now. And you can see now that that appointment's gone black. That means that they've checked out. Now let's just have a look into this client record card in a little bit more detail. Just going to go to the edit pencil. All these tabs and information within inside this relates to this particular client as it's their client record card. We're going to go to accounts, all the way to the bottom, and I can see here that this particular client was referred by Sam Kendall. So you can see it links it all together. There's no more worrying about promotions being applied when they shouldn't be, giving discounts when it's not right. And you get a really true idea and a good indication as to how your referral system is working. Do certain team members need to be talking about it more? Why is this team member getting new clients, but this team member isn't? Now, one other thing that you can do, and you might ask why, is you can opt team members out of sending their clients the gas text message. Now, why would you choose to not have Stacey, not have her clients get this gas message? Well, I say purely because one of the main reasons is that Stacey might be getting a lot of new clients coming through, but she's not retaining those clients. She's not getting them to rebook. So why would I want to keep feeding Stacey new clients when I can potentially give those to Jess, knowing that Jess is going to give a great welcome, give a great service, and that client's going to rebook and come back in and become a regular client. Now, to opt a particular team member out, we just go click on the stylist name, edit team member. This is the team member setup. Again, for the purpose of this video, just doing this here, you'll see it says no gas messages. Clicking the toggle to green, and then I'm clicking on save. That means that Stacey is not going to have her clients get the gas message. So in the meantime, I can really work with Stacey, find out where the struggle is. Why aren't her clients rebooking? Is it because she's not doing very well with the service, or is it because of something else? Maybe it's her price. Maybe the clients aren't satisfied with how she's looking after that guest when they're in the salon. So it's really, really good. And you can switch that on and off whenever you want to. As I said before, this is such a short snippet of the guest attraction system. It's one of the best ways, as I said, to draw clients into your salon and see your business grow. I know you're going to have questions, so reach out to our business consultants today. They are ready and waiting to hear from you. Thank you so much.